seen the world, lit it up as my stage now.